Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. Today we are going to start learning Blender. As you open the software, you can see these options. You have to choose one option and you can simply click on the screen. After that, the main interface of Blender is here. We can see the Scenes Collection tab. This tab shows us how many objects or elements are opened for work, like a camera, cube, and light. We can temporarily hide it or delete it permanently. Now we have some mouse click, right click, and scroll wheel options. For clicking right click, you can find some more options. If you press left click, you have a rectangle, and with the help of this, you can select the object. If you scroll the wheel up and down, this will work for zoom in or out. If you press the scroll, this will rotate the camera view around the object. If you press the Shift plus scroll key and move the mouse, this will work as a pan. We have above some tabs which can help us according to our work, like modeling, rendering, etc. Also, we have some properties on the right side. These are the object properties that we are currently working on. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.